Here's why you should never allow other people to come before what you want in life. The truth is that if you're a people pleaser and struggle to say no, then you're actually going to probably resent those people in the long run. So what you need to do is you need to learn how to prioritize your needs first. And so I'll give you an example. Back in my early 20s, I used to go out a lot in San Francisco, to brunches and whatnot with all my friends, which was great. But I knew that it would be detracting my ability to build this side hustle. So I needed to learn how to say no, every other weekend and be like, hey, actually, I'm going to stay in this weekend. I'm going to work on these things. So what you need to do is you need to figure out, again, how to prioritize yourself. Because at the end of the day, you are the one that's leading your life. And if you're people pleasing and afraid to say no, then you're just never going to commit to the things that you want in your life.